This is a functioning ABS module, but this is what your module could look like after removing it from the pump. So here's some quick tips on how to keep your module intact. Your ABS module is connected to the ABS pump by pins and solenoids. If you force the module away from the pump, the solenoids can break and the pins can become bent, leaving the module damaged and harder to repair. To safely separate the ABS from the pump, you will need a T20 bit to remove the 4 screws connecting them. Then you want to very gently wiggle the module while pulling straight back. Be sure not to pry between the module and the pump with anything. These solenoids and pins can also become damaged in shipping. To avoid this, we want to remove the pins and place them back inside the pump. Then, we want to cover the solenoids with a small piece of cardboard or foam. Next, bubble wrap the module and place it in a small box. Finally, stuff paper around the module to help keep it stationary once the package is sealed. We hope this helped, and if you are looking to have your ABS repaired, head to circuitboardmedics.com or give us a call or text at 800-547-2049.